Life is uncertain and unpredictable. So, live in the moment. So, recently, I took 7 days trip to Sikkim, also known as the Jewel of the East. So, let me take you to the place with overwhelming beauty, the land where nature smiles. Good morning from Peling. This is our last day in Sikkim, and the temperature is somewhere close to minus 4 degrees centigrade, and we are on our way to visit few places around. I am very curious about history. Mostly those folklores attract me always. So, as per plan, we are on our way to explore a lake, which is eventually known as a holy lake by Hindus and Buddhists. Khechiopadri, also pronunciated as Khechiperi, which stands for the heaven of Guru Padmasambhava. Though according to folklore, Khechiopadri is made up of two words, and Khechio, which stands for flying yoginis, and Padri, which stands for the palace. This lake is also known as wish fulfilling lake, and as a result, the water of this lake is only permitted to be used for performing rites and rituals. Nature has its own way to interpret things, and might be that's why our emotion always converges with every single aspect of our life. The journey continues for Kanchenjunga Falls. Kanchenjunga Falls is surrounded by thick forest cover. This falls is so beautiful, and the finest reason is it's untouched from the urbanization. It's a place where one can find solitude in the nature without even trying too hard. It's our last day in Sikkim, so I'm kinda sad, you can say, but more thankful to God for creating this beautiful canvas of nature. So next, towards the bridge. And the most interesting fact about this, it's the second highest suspension bridge in Asia. And if you drop a stone from this bridge, it takes almost 8 seconds to touch the ground. Well, to be honest, I wish I could have stayed here for longer time cause I have traveled lots of places before, but the whole journey to Sikkim became very close to my heart. Those breathtaking views, the enriched hospitality, and moreover, the nail-biting cold. I'm gonna miss all of this. See you in some other episode. Till then, please share this series if you loved it. And yeah, the most important thing is stay safe.